Hello my dear friends, good morning. Today we are going to visit some place, me and my friends Anil Patel. Now we are going to Bhairahawa International Airport. Bhairahawa Buddha International Airport is a very beautiful airport. You people are seeing that this is Bhairahawa International Airport. Bhairahawa International Airport is a good international airport. It has international plane landing and flying in Malaysia and Kuwait. This is the main gate of the airport, and everyone goes through this gate of the airport. I am trying to make a good video for you guys to enjoy it. You guys also have to put this video in my electrical and electronics technology YouTube channel. Now we are crossing Bhairahawa Buddha International Airport and going towards Bhairahawa in the city. Wow, it's a very beautiful place. Inside on the road in the beautiful to Belwas. The whole mountain is good and cool and has a very beautiful view on the road.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This main gate is a Lumbini gate, and Lumbini goes from here, and also you have a wonderful nice place which is a perfect for every man to visit for Lumbini. So friends, once again visit for Lumbini. Lumbini is a very nice place. I am driving the FZ bike now, and we are feeling so great. Me and my friends, both men, are roaming FZ bikes. We believe and hope that you guys would have liked this video very much. Please like my video and also subscribe my YouTube electrical and electronics technology channel. Thanks for watching my video, guys.